Hi everyone, welcome to our Python tutorial. Today, our lesson is going to focus on the basic syntax of Python. As we can recall from our previous lesson, Python is a high-level interpreted programming language that is easy to learn and understand. It is a versatile language that can be used for a wide range of applications, including web development, scientific computing, data analysis, artificial intelligence, and many more. Now let's talk about the basic syntax of Python programming language. What is basic syntax? Syntax refers to the rules that govern a structure of Python language. In Python, the basic syntax includes indentation and print function. Alright, what is indentation? Python indentation, that's either a space or tab, is used to define the structure of the code. This means that you need to indent your code using 4 spaces or 1 tab to indicate where a block of code begins and ends. Print function. The print function is used to display output on the screen. We can pass a string, a variable, or an expression to the print function to display its value. For example, print hello world. This code will print hello world on the screen. Now, let's talk about data types. Data types are categories of data that determine the type of value a variable can hold. Python has several inbuilt data types, including integers, which is abbreviated as int. This refers to whole numbers, either positive, negative, or 0. For example, we have 1, 2, and many more. Now, another data type we can talk about is floats. So floats here are decimal numbers. Example, 3.40, minus 0.5, and many more. The next data type we can talk about is strings. String is represented in Python as str. This refers to the sequences of characters, such as words or phrases. Example, hello, goodbye, etc. String can be enclosed in a single quote or double quote. And then the last data type we are going to talk about in this tutorial is Boolean, which is represented as bool. Simply means true or false. Example, a statement can be true or false. Now, let's talk about the examples of the all indicated data types mentioned above. X equals 5 is an example of integer. Y equals 3.14 is an example of float. Name equals John is an example of string. Is admin equals true is an example of Boolean. These variables hold different data types, which determine the types of value they can hold. And that's it for today's lesson. In this tutorial, we have covered the basic of Python programming language, including basic syntax, data types. We also learned how to use the print function to display output on the screen. Remember, practice